Hey guys, this is MC here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to just trim the long hair. We are not really cutting it, we are keeping it long, but to show you actually how to trim it for a ponytail. Now if you look here, he had an undercut, so this is still shorter, so we're not gonna touch this. Basically we're gonna trim this. He ties his hair back here. He used to have a man's bun, then he moved it here. So we have to cut the front to be long enough still to be put in the bun in the back. Okay? So let's go. So first thing, we're gonna section off. We're gonna start from where the head is running, and we're gonna take the top section, the top off. Just give me a second there. Alright, so I'll take this, alright, and I'll just need one. And same thing here. Okay. We're gonna section this off first and just check the sides, because the sides are actually already really short. I can't cut them, but I just want to check them, see what they look like, and then we'll go, you know. So as we can see, the sides are short. The back is short, but I gotta trim it a little bit here. So basically what I'm gonna do, since he's going to be tying it here, I can cut all this here and connect this here with this here. Okay, so let's do that. So yeah, we're going to take this right there. I don't want to cut any of this here that's growing, but trim this here. All right, we'll take another section.
Boys will be
straight out at 90 degrees and just trim this. You know, now I'm gonna actually start over directing a little bit, because he's gonna be tying the hair here, so we don't want to cut this too short. So I'm gonna be bringing everything to where he's gonna tie the hair. And obviously the hair is going to be getting shorter and shorter. I mean longer and longer, excuse me.
on the sides.
Yeah, and less to cut, yeah? Because we don't want to cut any of these, right? Otherwise it will not reach into the ponytail. Cool, right? Okay. Hi. Right there.
That's good.
Okay.
They're looking for you, bro.
Are they giving me work on this one?
I don't know what they're talking about. I thought we haven't seen the one.
And I'm over directing. Really, there is nothing to cut here. And that's it. All right. All right, so now we're gonna cut a towel. Basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a section here. Let's do this. Let's comb everything to one side. I'm gonna take a section You know what? And I'm gonna actually take a section from the back and continue straight up. Right? Now we're gonna take this as our guide, and we're gonna bring all the hair from there to here.
So basically the same thing like the sides?
Yes. So what I want, this is gonna go in the ponytail here, right? So I want this hair to stay as long as possible, you see? To reach to the end.
Yep.
So now this is called a stationary guide, where I do not, my guide doesn't travel. It basically stays in the same spot. Right? For you guys that are in school, this is going to be on your state board exam. The traveling guide and a stationary guide. Right here.
That's stationary because you're bringing everything back to that point?
Yeah. Everything comes to this point. Everything is cut to one place, basically.
Yeah, so in this case, the hair is not going to be the same length, right? From the front to the back.
No, it's gradually getting longer towards the front.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not going to be the same.
Yeah. Otherwise, if I cut the same length hair that is here, then this hair will not reach to the ponytail. See, the front basically just the ends because it's barely reaching, so I don't want to cut it too short. I will trim the ends, so if he has any split ends, we'll get rid of them and his hair will look healthier. Alright, so here the corners, we're gonna pretty much just bring everything here and see how it looks and just cut it there. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Let me just switch my scissor so my fingers can actually still point down when I cut here. But see, there is not really much to cut there, so we'll just cut that. There you go. Okay. Over here. So basically, we are not gonna like shape him up and create, you know, define lines. We're just gonna take this scraggly hair and remove him. And we want to keep his hairline pretty natural. He doesn't like to shape it up and see, you know, have a lines. See, we're just gonna keep it pretty natural. Even here. All right, so here I'm just gonna clean up his sideburns a little bit, but honestly just keeping it as natural as possible. It'll just look clean. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. All right. All right, and here is your end product. All right, guys, this is MC. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. mcbarber.com is my website. Thank you so much.